If it is not already completely clear, I shall reiterate the resolution for you now. Resolve that the United States should substantially increase space exploration through support for increased cooperation with foreign space programs. So, in order to win this debate, the affirmative team needs to prove that there is a need for change, and provide a plan that will both provide for a significant increase in cooperation with foreign space agencies and be practical and desirable. First, there is simply no need for more international cooperation than what is already happening now. The Orion spacecraft, set to finish in 2013, will cut our dependence off the Soyuz capsule and provide a safe and affordable way for United States astronauts to get to the ISS, nasa.gov. As we have said already, the U.S. has and is currently cooperating with foreign space agencies on multiple projects, such as research and maintenance aboard the ISS, the Hayabusa probe, the Hinode probe, the Polar Operational Environmental Satellite, the Suzaku satellite, and many other joint venture operations, nasa.gov. The countries currently cooperating with the U.S. are France, Japan, the UK, Canada, the European Space Agency, and the Russian Space Agency, according to NASA. This is already sufficient, as all of these programs are progressing well, and there's no need for change. So what needs to be changed? What is lacking that increased foreign cooperation will provide? Where are the benefits? What can foreign cooperation provide that domestic and private industries can't? I challenge the affirmative to answer these questions. Second, if anything, private industries should be increased. It should be the key. This is more desirable than foreign cooperation, as it produces domestic jobs and stimulates the economy. In a 2003 study, NASA boosts the economy in every state for a total of $12.5 billion nationwide, or an average of $250 million per state. Instead of exporting jobs when we cooperate with other countries, Also, private industries are well on their way to developing their own space capsules. As of now, one is operational, which is the Dragon capsule by SpaceX. 4 are in testing, and 4 are in development. The one thing all of these capsules have in common, however, is that they are 100% American. Yes, all of these capsules are being built, designed, and developed by Americans. Third, as we have said already, competition is more beneficial than cooperation. During the space race, the U.S. rapidly developed technology and used this technology to beat the Russians. For example, after Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, was launched by the Russians, within 4 months, the U.S. launched its own version. Another example was in 2007, when China shot down one of its own satellites with a missile. Within a year, the U.S. did the same. New York Times. As you can see, competition provides a unique motivation and drive that is not seen with cooperation. It is with these contentions in mind that the negative proposes a counterplan. A plan that will satisfy the need for exploration and the desire for knowledge. Instead of entangling ourselves with foreign entities, we will rely on domestic private industries such as SpaceX and Virgin Galactic. The plan is detailed in 3 steps. First, NASA will conduct an information exchange with selected private industries. The scientists, technicians, and officials of both NASA and the private industries will share data, experiments, test results, and significant findings, etc., to ensure the safety, practicality, and ease of future spacefaring operations. Second, selected research facilities and laboratories will be open to these private companies to use, further strengthening the bond. Finally, all new capsules, rovers, satellites, probes, telescopes, any spacefaring vehicle will be designed, developed, and constructed by NASA in conjunction with these private enterprises. With NASA's expertise and experience, and the private company's larger source of capital, American spacefaring operations will leap forth into the future. Ever since the emergence of humans on this planet, man has gazed up at the stars with wonder. Now, with modern technology, man no longer needs to just wonder. I urge you to vote for a brighter future, a world where science and progress shall lead us to the stars and sail the cosmos. And it starts right here in America. To the stars, but foremost through the stripes. Vote negative. Thank you.